Oh my god, they're here. What's up everybody, it's Green Tips here, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing my plants. So about a week ago, I ordered some plants for my houseplant collection from Home Depot, and apparently when I wasn't looking, some big bad people stole the packages. Some people decided to just go ahead and sneak to the front door and rob it, so... It's a shame that people do this, but some people are really desperate that need food and shelter and clothes and plants. And they do these things because we're in a pandemic. So after this whole incident, I talked to Home Depot, and they went ahead and replaced it with another string of pearls. And not only that, but they gave me another free string of pearls. Okay everyone, I'm here with my box, and I'm gonna go open it. But since we're in a pandemic, we have to be very careful and use gloves, because there could be coronavirus on this. And that's the safest way to do it, so just put on my gloves real quickly. I did it the wrong way. That doesn't matter. Okay, I'm super excited about this. I do not know which plant it is, so let's go find out. Get some scissors. I'm gonna go and open this. So this package is 8 pounds. Okay, time to open it. Alright, so, okay, you guys ready for this moment? Dun 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 dun. Okay, so I see a plant.
Wow!
So, I have this plant. Oh, I can already tell. The SOP string of pearls. Here it is, guys. Dun dun dun. That's a little like tingly, but that's alright. There's my new string of pearls. Now that's epic. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, another string of pearls. Whoa, everything is falling everywhere. Uh-oh. Alright. It's outside, because if it was inside, probably would have made a big mess, but that's alright. Then we got 2 string of pearls. So there's a little bit of soil in the box, but that's because I flipped it over when I was carrying it, so that's my fault. But yeah. So overall, I think Home Depot did a really good job. Let's go inside. So now I'm just going to time warp into my room. 3, 2, 1. Time warp! So it seems like the plant is in good condition. It seems healthy, so that's good. That means Home Depot definitely was taking care of it. There wasn't that much soil spilled. Most of it was because I turned it upside down on accident. Yeah, that was my fault. Yeah, it seems pretty healthy to me, so I would definitely recommend Home Depot because they're very generous of this. So, thank you. So now it's just a matter of time until my plants arrive. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for a long time. Yeah. time. Will you hurry up already? You know, I'm just gonna go to bed. I'll record when he comes. Anyway. It's the morning, and I got the plants delivered, so I'm gonna go ahead and open them. Yeah, so it's a little bright here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and film it because I really want to open it, and I'm not that patient. Remember, safety gloves, because there might be corona on this. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, well, look what we have here. We have a bunch of stuff. These are like, I don't even know what these are called. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, the philodendron Brazil. Look at that. Lucky us. Just go ahead and so it seems as if it's intact. That's just first glance. So now let's go ahead and open it. It's a little wet, but otherwise I think it's pretty good. Let's go ahead and just take these last few buddies out. So now we're gonna go ahead take off this foamy stuff. So there's a little bit of soil on the tape. That's alright. Let's go ahead and put that there. Alright, let's see. So it seems in pretty good shape. The soil, there's a little soil here and there, but I think it's still pretty well. I mean, yeah, it's just, I'm happy. Anyway, next one. So now, the next one, this is also 2 pounds, so this should be exciting. Go ahead and cut this open. See, I can't even open this. I can't open this part. Oh wait, that's over here, never mind. Oh my gosh, and they have the metal things. Bro. Let's see. Let's see what it says. It says, hello, nice, I'm gonna actually let you guys. So it said, hello, nice to meet you. Wait, what is it? I've had a long journey, and I'm so glad to be home. Please water me immediately. Drench me, let me drain, enjoy my company. Oh, that's a little nice note. Oh, okay, let's see. Ooh, I can already tell what it is. I'm not gonna spoil it, but I know what it is. So again, we got the foamy stuff. Go ahead and put these on the side into the other box. Alright. Let me just go pour these out. We've got a big disaster. Just a bunch of like those things everywhere. I guess that's to ensure that the plant is like not smushed. So that's good. Alright. So we got the plastic wrapping again, and then we got the foamy stuff wrapping again. Ooh, we got soil pouring out from the bottom. That's okay, because it's not that much soil. If the plant was like flipped, If the plant just was like, then I probably would have been like really pissed. I would probably would have returned it, but happy with it. And anyway, I know what guys, this plant is what we call the peacock plant. Dun dun dun. Dope. It's dope. Look at this. Look. So see, how it has those patterns. It's awesome. I love those patterns. They're like so cool. Alright, so since they use the grow pot, their grow pot has drainage holes, so there's obviously going to be soil jumping out of there. Let's go ahead and take this out. Alright, let's see. Okay, good. So, this is what it looks like. Really beautiful. Alright, so this one seems to be healthy. It's not dead, so that's dope. There doesn't seem to be any problems with it. And I can tell that they tried to make sure that the plant was safe and secure, because they put all these little thingies. Yeah, good job. The peacock was awesome too. I love that it has the awesome patterns. Really super dope. There was a little bit of soil spilled, but that was because of the drainage holes. But otherwise, plant awesome, dope. So I think they did a really good job, and I'm really excited to add this to my new houseplant collection. But anyway, guys, that's a wrap. I really want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button right there, and also don't forget to subscribe right there. And check out my channel if you haven't already. It's pretty dope. And I'll see you all later. Peace.